In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make a cinematic flash transition here within Premiere Pro. Before we dive into the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. But if you want to create a cinematic flash transition here within Premiere Pro, don't worry, it's actually pretty easy. Begin by obviously placing however many clips you want side by side to each other on the timeline. And what you are going to want to do is actually go to the project tab here and select this button for the new item and add a adjustment layer just like so. Hit OK on this section and then drag that adjustment layer above these clips and go ahead and make sure that it's extended throughout all of them. What you're going to want to do now is simply right click the adjustment layer and select speed and duration just like so. And set the duration here to 8 frames. From here, go ahead and hit OK and then zoom in on your timeline to see that adjustment layer and actually put it between your two clips just like so. After that, go ahead and navigate to the effects panel and search for the effect levels just like so and drag this levels effect onto that adjustment layer. Now navigate to the effect controls tab, and what you're going to want to do here is set a keyframe at the start for RGB white input level. To do this, go ahead and click on this little stopwatch icon after navigating to the beginning of the adjustment layer just like so. So do that and you'll create your first keyframe. Now move your playhead to the very end of that adjustment layer. Go back to the effect controls and set a keyframe here as well, but this time just click on this add keyframe option. Now navigate to the middle of the adjustment layer and create one more keyframe just like so. And with this keyframe, go ahead and select it and change the RGB white input level to 0. So now you're going to have an option with 255 in the beginning, the middle one's going to have 0, and the final one's going to have 255. But now, if you go ahead and press play, you're going to notice that you have a smooth flash transition between your clips. And you can do this with multiple clips as well. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. Before you leave this video, make sure to like and subscribe. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.